Welcome to our guide on how to make money in 2025 by offering AI-powered SEO services. In this video, we'll uncover the importance and advantages of integrating AI into your SEO strategies. Before diving into AI, let's understand the basics of SEO. SEO involves optimizing a website to rank higher on search engines, and AI can transform this process dramatically. To offer AI-powered SEO services, identifying your target market is crucial. Businesses across various industries are looking for expert help to enhance their online presence. Next, let's explore the tools and technologies that can facilitate AI-driven SEO strategies. Utilizing the right software can elevate your service offerings significantly. AI insights can help you craft tailored SEO strategies for each client. Analyzing data allows for personalized approaches that yield better results. Competition is fierce, so setting competitive pricing models is key. Research your competitors and offer value combinations that attract clients. To attract clients, marketing your AI-powered SEO services effectively is vital. Use platforms like social media, webinars, and content marketing to your advantage. Building long-term relationships through regular AI reporting fosters trust and retention. Clients appreciate transparency and consistent results. Let's look at some case studies where AI SEO services have been successfully implemented. These real-world examples can inspire and validate your approach. As we look into the future, staying ahead of AI SEO trends will be essential. Embrace innovative technologies and adapt your strategies accordingly.